So let's talk about scaling. By now, you would have created an ad account, you would have had your campaigns running, and you would have been promoting profitably on TikTok. So if you come to the section which means that you are happy with what is happening and now we want to take your brand to the next level. So you're doing 100 orders a day. Now your question is, how do I take this to 10,000 orders a day? So how do you scale on TikTok? Now, if you remember, I had earlier told you that you do not touch the ad group which is performing well, so that stays the same. So what do you do here is, you see the first method, that is increase the budget. So of that ad group, gradually increase the budget. This is a slow scaling method wherein you do not aggressively scale, but step by step you are increasing the budget. So increase the budget by about 10 to 15%, maximum 20%. So if your budget, existing budget is 4,000 rupees, change it to 4,800 maximum today. Then the next day again increase it by 20%. Then the next day again increase by 20%. So the days you are profitable, you keep increasing your budget by 10 to 20% every day, and gradually you scale. Now let's say if you want to scale very aggressively, you have a sale, it's a limited time period offer, so you want to reach out to the maximum people that is possible. Now if you change the budget from 2000 to 4000 directly, the algorithm will get the essentially the optimization will take a drift, and probably your ads will not be as profitable as they were. So what we do is we keep the ad group as it is. You duplicate that ad group, copy the ad group. There's an option you will see on the ad group which says copy. So copy the ad group as is and give a budget which is double the original budget. So for example, you have an ad group which is performing well with a budget of 2000 rupees. Create a copy, give a budget of 4000 rupees and run it. Now what will happen is, now your budget is 6000 rupees. So 4000 for the new ad group and 2000 for the previous ad group. Keep the previous ad group running. Remember, I told you earlier, do not shut what is running well. So now from 2000 you aggressively scale to 6000. Tomorrow, the next day, you can create a new ad group of 12,000. That's how you duplicate it by doubling the budget. Third one is the BDD method, which is the best time of the day. Analyze, see what is the best time of the day your ads, your cost per conversions are cheapest, and show your ads during that time and give a high budget. Fourth is traffic method. So the challenge that we discussed earlier, that no spend, that is going to come when you are actually getting onto scaling. So traffic method is actually not a type of scaling, but it goes hand in hand when you are scaling. So this runs simultaneously with other campaigns. So run a traffic campaign, send people to your website so that TikTok understands what kind of people are more likely to buy. The fifth one is revise duplication method. In this one, you do the exact same thing what we did in duplication method. However, here you do three different things. One is you create a copy in the same campaign. Second is you create a copy of the same ad group in a new campaign. And the third one is you run the same campaign, the same ads in a new ad account altogether. So create a new TikTok ad account, create a new campaign, a new ad group, everything same, and run it over there. This helps TikTok to identify different pockets of audience in your same interest category, and that's how you end up scaling. One more method that I would like to tell you is remove any interest. So once you have a lot of purchases, what you can do is you can not put anything in interest category. So let TikTok find the right audience for you.